Is it the right time to buy or sell Tellurian stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Tellurian. We previously published an initial report on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 15, 2023, our system has ranked Tellurian as a strong buy candidate with a score of 6.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 39.46% since we first listed Tellurian as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This means an average return of 4.93% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 25.10% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there is a chance for a return between minus 69.38% and minus 25.10%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a minus 46.73% change over the next year. This would result in a possible return between minus 92.40% and minus 29.23%. In terms of price, it could range from $0.0721 to $0.671 after 12 months. Our latest update on Tellurian reveals that the stock price experienced high volatility on Wednesday, ultimately closing at 95 cents. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, December 27, 2023, the Tellurian stock price saw a gain of 7.55%, climbing from 88 cents to 95 cents. This marks its 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there's a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 11.29%, ranging from a low of 88 cents to a high of 98 cents. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 57.64%, with gains on 9 out of the last 10 days. Additionally, trading volume increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 43 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $40.35 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Tellurian stock reached $2.15, while the lowest price hit $0.483. At present, the stock price is 55.88%, equivalent to $1.20, below the 52-week high, and 95.64%, equivalent to $20.79, below the all-time high recorded on February 27, 2017, when the stock reached $21.74. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, August 9, 2022, Bank of America Securities upgraded TEL with a buy grade. On Monday, August 1, 2022, Evercore ISI downgraded TEL with an outperform grade. On Tuesday, April 26, 2022, Zacks Investment Research upgraded TEL with a hold grade. On Friday, April 1, 2022, Credit Suisse upgraded TEL with an outperform grade. Analysts have given a general buy rating for Tellurian stock. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Tellurian. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals for the Tellurian stock. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a positive forecast, indicating a buy signal. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms the positive trend, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support at the levels of 81 cents and $0.631. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was previously issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 27, 2023. Since then, the stock has already risen by an impressive 91.46%. Further rise is anticipated until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots have also indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator gave a buy signal 95 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 11 days ago. However, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average signaled a buy 20 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 85 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Tellurian. On the downside, the stock has some key support levels just below today's level. These support levels are identified by accumulated volume at $0.746 and $0.736. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Tellurian, if the support at $0.746 is broken, the next support levels from accumulated volume will be at $0.736 and $0.732. It's worth mentioning that Tellurian is considered to be a very high-risk stock. This means that it may experience significant volatility throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. Looking at its recent performance, on the last trading day, Tellurian had a price range of $0.0989 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 11.29% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of this stock has been 9.89%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Tellurian, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or are losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are $0.0300. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for Tellurian. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tellurian is at 99 cents. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tellurian encounters its first support level at $0.746. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Tellurian is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 15, 2023, Gross Jonathan S. made an insider purchase of 120,000 shares of common stock. On November 7, 2023, Gross Jonathan S. made an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of common stock. On June 30, 2023, Gross Jonathan S. made an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of common stock. On June 1, 2023, Oxley Simon George made an insider purchase of 400,000 shares of common stock. On June 1, 2023, Oxley Simon George made an insider sale of 55,366 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -87.608. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,226,439 shares and sold 24,656,701 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at 91 cents, which represents a decrease of 3.63%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which also means there is a higher level of risk involved. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 21 days ago. Is Tellurian stock a good buy? Despite being in a falling trend, Tellurian holds several positive signals, making it a promising choice at its current levels. Our analysis suggests that Tellurian stock is expected to perform very well in the next 3 months. Therefore, we have upgraded our evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, December 28, we anticipate Tellurian to open down $0.0153 and commence trading at 93 cents. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your insights. What are your price targets for this stock? Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more trading updates. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful journey in the stock market. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.